you want to pack most of your clothes in your carry-on? Well, I've struggled with it, but now I have an answer. These are the travel cubes by Hero. They were provided to us, so I needed to let you know that, to check them out, see what we feel, give our honest reviews. I have to say the first thing that I noticed is the one that they're all packed in is really large. I like that. Some of the ones come, they're a little bit too small to fit, like, say, a shirt folded up flat, because I'm not totally a roller. I like pack things in between plastic and stuff so nothing gets wrinkled. So, what do we got here? We have two large ones. Yes! And they have little things on the back that you can write what you have in them, put them in there. You don't have to keep opening and fumbling through. We've got two medium-sized ones and a little one. So you can put like undies, you can put a bathing suit, something like that. And then to pack the, oh no, look at this. We have laundry bags. Laundry bags, how cool are those? I always love to have laundry bags with us because I don't want that mixing in the other clothes. So we got two laundry bags. That is a bonus. Now let's see how much I can get in one of these. We're gonna use Doug's as an example. So I'm gonna take it out, show you what I got in. On the top, I always put the t-shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts on the top. We got lots. Workout gear on the top. These nicer shorts of his on the bottom, kind of folded over so they don't get crinkly. How many we got? He is ready to go. As a recap, these packing cubes by Hero are great.